Hi! Today we are unboxing something that promises to bring both style and functionality to your home with zero hassle. Alright, let's see. We've got the shade itself, the installation manual, which honestly you won't need much of. All sleek, all simple, so yeah, let's take a closer look. The unique honeycomb structure isn't just for looks, it actually helps trap air between the layers, offering great thermal insulation and noise reduction. You'll definitely feel the difference in your home's comfort. And I almost forgot about this little bag, and let's see what's inside. So here we have an Allen wrench, two handles, this tiny little plug, and a piece of plastic that secures shade. Simply adjust the tension rods to fit the width of your window, slide the shades into the place, and voila, that's it. No tools, no mess, no stress. And check this out, no cords. You get total control with a smooth cordless design, perfect for homes with kids or pets. Plus, with the shade's effortless operation, you can get the perfect level of privacy, or let in as much light as you need. With so many colors and sizes to choose from, you're sure to find the perfect match for your space. Whether you want something neutral to blend in or a pop of color to stand out, Keego has you covered. If you're ready to upgrade your space, check out link in the description. See you next time. Peace!